The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. The Lord's Prayer is one of the best-known prayers in the Bible and was taught by Jesus to his disciples. It is also known as the Oratio Dominica, or the Lord's Prayer. Prayer is a fundamental part of a Christian's life, as it is a way of speaking to God. However, it is not mandatory to pray the Lord's Prayer every day, but it is possible to pray in your own words using the prayer as a model. Amen? Thank you for watching the video until the end, and don't forget to like and share this prayer and thus reach more people who need to hear a message of affection and faith. Thank you, my brothers. May God bless you, and until the next video,